Perplexity can be used to summarize pretty much any content or article on the internet. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Perplexity to summarize an article, a blog post, or maybe a social media content. And there are two ways to do that. So let me show you the first method, and it is involving a Chrome extension from Perplexity. So I have this article from The Verge, and it's talking about the Ghibli filter that was viral, I think, about yesterday. And I just want to know what is the main content or the main key takeaways of this article. So I'm going to use a Chrome extension called Perplexity AI Companion. So let's navigate to, let's say, Chrome Web Store. And then click on this option. And then you want to search Perplexity AI Companion. This is the one that you want to install. All right, make sure that it's from Perplexity AI and click Add to Chrome. So the idea of this extension is that you can click on the extension and it will give you the summary of the website or the summary of the content that you are looking right now. That's the idea of this Chrome extension. So you can actually check some other features that it might have, like you can communicate or ask AI about the page that you are reading at the moment. So if you have a specific question about the page, you can definitely use Perplexity for that. Now let's go back to this article again. And since I have installed a new Chrome extension, it is always a good idea to refresh the page. Okay, now I'm going to click on this extension menu and let's pin Perplexity, so it's going to be a lot easier to access. You can click on the extension and you can click, the summarize button. Let's do that. And there you go. So I'm not really surprised. This is one reason why some people are not really a fan of this Chrome extension. Even though this is the official extension, a lot of times it just doesn't work. So you can ask it to summarize, but for some reason it's not able to read the content from the page. And you're going to see this problem quite often. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And that's why I still have another method, and it's quite manual, but it is much more reliable. So let's copy this link and then go to Perplexity, and then you can ask Perplexity to just basically summarize this article. And I'm going to just paste the URL. And then here you have the option to select the AI model. You can go with the best or the auto mode, or you can use, your preferred AI model. I think I'm going to use Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. Now let's send the message and just wait until Perplexity is summarizing the article for you. And there you go. That was a lot quicker, a lot more reliable, and you can use it even without using the Chrome extension. So you can use it on your mobile application. You can use this method on any platform or any browser, because the extension is no longer needed. And yeah, that's basically how you can summarize any article from the internet using Perplexity AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I'm planning to make more videos about Perplexity. In any case, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead. Take care.